Hi, this is Yash. I'm the CHRO for Lupin, and happy to share with you what are we doing in terms of our preparedness to deal with this pandemic, which is now the COVID-19, the coronavirus. So, the situation is alarming, as you see. But is there a cause for panic? Answer is no. Okay, because the situation can be managed and can be brought under control. So we as a company have done a lot of things. Some of them are very common in terms of what even the other companies have done, such as educating people first on the COVID-19, the coronavirus, what it means, its symptoms. Then also making sure that personal hygiene standards are uplifted, or are maintained, such as providing hand sanitizers to all our employees at various locations and offices, including their homes, providing them with masks, etc. So those are the basic things, which as a good employer, most companies have done, and we have done that too. We have taken some steps globally, such as we have restricted all non-essential international travel. It's totally restricted. Similarly, last week we further took a step of even restricting non-essential domestic travel, and then that's again, to ensure that employees stay safe and the 6 feet distance is maintained, especially when you're flying in an aeroplane or when you're at an airport or stuff like this. So that all has happened. A few more steps that we have taken is, we have stayed constantly in touch with the government officials at the health ministry level in the state, and with various other healthcare professionals to understand what are some of the best practices and what can we do. Now, the government of Maharashtra has been very, very proactive about this, and so has been the central government. And they have been giving various advisories, so making sure that you comply with all of them, such as, we today took the step of asking most of our employees to work from home, except for very critical, essential, and some senior management roles like myself. I have to be in office. Uh, but at the same time, we have told people, if you're not well, if you don't feel well, stay at home. We have introduced various measures, such as, their thermal temperature monitoring guns, which are there at every office location, which is the primary screening. So if your temperature is above 99%, as recommended by 99 degrees, then you have to go back home and see a doctor, stuff like that. But also, we have restricted the visits of visitors to our office. We have restricted visits of our salespeople to meeting of the healthcare professionals. So in pharma, the sales people are actually meeting healthcare professionals in hospitals and clinics, in their consulting chambers, and those places are really, really prone to infection. And we have suspended the field working of all our salespeople. We have asked them to work from home, and those are the precautions we are taking. So one of the best things that we have learned is that it's all about breaking the chain, of the communal transformation of this virus, and how do you do that? So that's what we are doing, and I'm sure this will be brought under control. A few things to remember: there's no cause for panic, but at the same time, you shouldn't take it lightly. Uh, Make sure that you very clearly communicate with all your employees. Make sure that you equip and enable your employees to further educate and spread awareness of this COVID-19 virus to their families, friends, everywhere. And prevention is the best cure, and that's it. So I wish everyone all the very best, and I'm sure, everyone is doing their best to ensure that we stay safe and we remain healthy. So thank you very much, and all the very best.